nice.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Very nice. Cool. Hey guys, we just finished dinner at this restaurant called Hide and Seek. It's a Thai bar. It is so good. It's right down there where the white sign is. It's so good. Like really good. It's literally down an alleyway. But oh my god, so good. We had satay chicken to start with and delicious, and then I had a lamb shake which was beautiful, and my aunt had a a red curry which was really nice, and I had some. It was very, very spicy, but very, very, very nice. So we were just walking along. We're just gonna go get some lunch. I'm gonna go get some Subway. So yeah, so today we just did some more shopping. I got a new phone case and a new pop socket, which I really like. I got this from JJ's. They had Harry Potter one, so I got Gryffindor. Love it. And I got a new bag. Yeah, I've never had a nude handbag before. It's so cute and it's so classy. I love it. So yeah, we're just gonna go, like I said, get some lunch. And yeah, probably head back. So we just spent the day shopping. I'll show you guys what I got back at the room. But yeah, got some really cute stuff. Yeah. We're back in the room. We're just chilling. If you can hear the shower going, my aunt's in the shower. And I completely forgot. I was going to show you guys what I got today. So I showed you guys my bag. So this is my bag. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my god, I just love it. And I also got a new wallet. So I got a new wallet. I got this from Strand Bags. This is, yeah, just a Laura Jones wallet. I really like it. So yeah, I got a new wallet. And look what I got from, what is it? I got Harry from Zinc, I think it is. Yeah, look at that. It's a nice. Check out the line. Look how cute this is. It's so cute. Hello. It's so cute. So I got Harry because I love Harry Potter. Speaking of Harry Potter, look what I got from those. I got from JJ's. How cool is this? It's got all the houses on it. It's got Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, and Gryffindor. I love it. I'm wearing this tomorrow, so I'll show you guys this on me tomorrow. It's really, really cool. So cool. So I got that. I also got, hold on, some Harry Potter socks. Look, little Harry on his broomstick. So cute. And then again in black. So you got Harry on his broomstick. And there's, oh, I thought it said Gryffindor on the side. No, it doesn't. Yeah. So I got those from JJ's. And I also got some goodies from Lush. What did I get from Lush? I got the, what is it? Soft Contour the Honeymooner Massage Bar. So I got this. Oh my god, this smells so good. In the shape of a heart. But yeah, it's really, really cool. It just smells amazing. It smells like honey and chocolate. I love it. I got this. This is the Silk Underwear Dusting Powder. So this is really good. So I can't wait to actually try this out. So yeah, it's got jasmine, coconut butter. You put this all over your skin and it leaves it smooth and soft and sexy. So yeah, definitely gonna try that out. And I got some stuff from Mecca, which is in here. So I got, what did I get? I got another pump for my Nourish Sheer Glow. And what else? Okay, so I got Nourish Sheer Glow, but I didn't get the shade that I normally get, which is Santa Fe, because that is a little bit dark, so I actually got matched. So I'm got the shade, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is focus. It's Mont Blanc Light number 2. That's what I got. So yeah, and I also my first Hourglass product. I got the Hourglass Vanishing Stick Foundation that I've heard everyone rave about on YouTube. So yeah, I got this in Alabaster. So yeah, I got matched as well, which was really nice. I got those. And yeah, I got some stuff from bras and things as well. But I don't know if you... I got like a new bra and underwear, which are very nice and are so comfortable. I love bras and things. Oh my god, they have like the most comfortable like underwear and bras ever. So comfy. But yeah, and I also got this beautiful dress, which you guys will see in like probably on Instagram or in upcoming vlogs. This is this beautiful dress that I got from where did I get this one from? I think, where the heck did I get this from? Crap, I can't remember. I got this from, I think, Just Jeans. I think I got it from Just Jeans. Hold on, let me just check the tag. I think it's sorry. Just Jeans, yeah. I got it from Just Jeans. So yeah, now I have to refold it. But anyway, that's what I got. So yeah. Anyway, we're just chilling for a bit. The time is, it is 5:03 here in Adelaide, because it's about an hour and a half, I think, behind or before something from Sydney. So an hour and a half difference from Sydney. So yeah, it's about 5:03. We're gonna go out for dinner tonight, and I'll show you guys my outfit later. I'm just gonna wear just a black dress. But yeah, so I'm just chilling. We got the Olympics on. Yay! So just watching the Olympics. It's snowboarding at the moment, so just watching this. And yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm just right now I'm just watching Saucony Jolie's on my phone. Oh, and I also got a new phone case. I showed you guys earlier, but check this out. It's got unicorns on it! And I got a Harry Potter Gryffindor pop socket. Yay! I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go, and I will talk to you guys later on this evening. And yeah. Alright, bye guys. is Sunday, the 25th of February, and we're just packing up our stuff because today we're going back to Sydney. So I just yeah. Oh, I didn't show you guys the bathroom when I did the room tour. So this is the bathroom. Very nice. Got your shower, your toilet. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit for today. So I'm wearing my Harry Potter houses t-shirt. So it's got like all the houses on it. And I'm just wearing a skirt and flats. So yeah. And I also did my makeup a little bit. I just did something to look a bit tidy. Nothing too crazy. So yeah. Oh. Alright. Sorry, my hair does not want to, that bit does not want to stay down. There we go. Anyway, so yeah, I've had a great time here in Adelaide. It's been really, really nice. So yeah. I'm excited to go home. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys at the airport.